Hi, this Metflix video is designed to show you the wide range of library and IT services available to support our non-local students, such as those studying for a Cardiff Met degree at one of our partner institutions.
Your key to all services is the homepage of our website, cardiffmet.ac.uk. Simply click on Student Portal at the bottom of the page. The Student Portal is a study support launchpad with tiles and quick links to resources ranging from Moodle and the International Office to email and the Student Union. For everything library and IT, click on the Study tab at the top of the page. The Study Portal is a one-stop shop for library and information services. Each main service area is represented by tabs at the top of the screen. Let's start with library services. Top of the list on the left-hand side is MetSearch, your gateway to our electronic library, which is available 24/7, 365 days of the year, regardless of where you are in the world. With one search, MetSearch gives you access to e-resources such as ebooks, ejournals and databases. How to access and use MetSearch is covered in a separate Metflix video. This is what a typical results screen looks like. Down the spine of the page, a handy icon visually shows the different formats available. Ebooks and ejournals are denoted by a green dot and online access. You can filter e-only resources by choosing Online Access and Articles or Books on the left-hand side. To see any e-resource, simply select View and click the source link. This is what a typical e-book looks like. And here is what a typical e-journal looks like. Returning to the Study Portal's Library Services page, you can access specialist support from your subject's academic librarians, including contact details and subject guides. Also of note in this section is DSpace, Cardiff Met's institutional repository. After logging in, students are free to access all areas of DSpace, which includes undergraduate and postgraduate dissertations, along with other research, organised primarily by school. The Information Technology section gives an excellent overview of the IT services and support for students, including Outlook Live Email, the wide range of student software available, and the self-service download centre for SPSS and Envivo. We're here to help should you need it. Self-help includes 5-minute guides and Metflix, our series of short videos from the library and IT. If you prefer, log a technical support call, email, web chat during UK office hours, use social media, or even post. Here you'll find in the last section academic skills for e-resources on enhancing a range of skills such as presentations or academic writing, needed both for success as a Cardiff Met student and as a future employee. Cardiff Met has recently created 2 new roles supporting our partner institutions within the UK and internationally. Jamie Finch is your dedicated point of expertise for library matters and Chris Evans for IT. Probably the best way of contacting us from overseas is via email. But don't forget, our study portal is full of other ways of contacting us, such as web chat, writing us a letter, phoning, and there are opening hours there also. We would very much appreciate it if you would follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out our other Metflix videos.